Are you falling into the trap of posting endlessly on social media without seeing any inquiries or sales from your efforts? Hello, I'm Auret from Essetinomedia, helping you create profitable content. Look, your social media has to bring you new business. That's what marketing on social media is all about. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 examples of profitable types of content so that you know what that looks like in terms of getting new leads and possibly new sales. These are all examples of content that has actually brought us new clients. So let's get into it. So the first type of content that you can do is something that debunks a common myth or a limiting belief in your industry. So what does that mean? Okay, so think about your target audience or your target viewers or the people who are listening on your social media platforms. What types of common limiting beliefs do they have? What sort of beliefs do they hold that is holding them back from what they really want? And by the way, that means the solution that you can provide. Your product or service, whatever that might be. So you might be a service-based business or a product-based business, but whatever it is that you offer, that is a solution to their problem, right? That is something that is going to help them get from point A to point B. So in that transformation, are there certain beliefs that are holding them back from achieving what it is that they want? So let me give you an example. We released this video on our channel that talks about how you can make a healthy monthly income, decent monthly income from your YouTube channel without very many views or subscribers. We're YouTube growth coaches, by the way, and this is a common belief in our industry where people feel like you need to have a ton of views and subscribers in order to see any money from your channel. And that is simply not true. So one piece of content that you can create is debunking that myth. So this specific video that we released was showing people our analytics and showing people that we actually made quite a bit on this one video that had less than 100 views. And if you can't show actual tangible results to debunk that myth, then that's totally fine. You know, just talk about why that is a myth or a limiting belief for your viewers and why it's simply not true. This video actually led to someone, they went to our website and used our chat service to start a conversation up with us. So this video actually led to a sale, and it's something that you can incorporate in your business as well, whether you're creating a video on that limiting belief, debunking a limiting belief, or a written post, whatever it is that works for you best. Profitable content number 2. So this is an example where you're posting content that shares your work along with a client story of yours. So people love to see your work, you know, whatever it is that you're producing. If you're a graphic designer, show some of your designs. If you are a fitness personal trainer, then show some of your exercises that you do or stretches that you do. If you're an e-commerce based business, you sell handbags, for example, maybe show some of the methods in sourcing certain materials for your next handbag or your next design. People love to see the work that you produce, and when it's paired together with a client story, that just increases their belief in your products and services even more. So let me show you some examples of these profitable pieces of content. So this is a post right here that I did on Facebook, and I basically I designed worksheets and other graphics. So I showed an example of some worksheets that I designed, and I put this caption along with it. And I said, I was pulling out different workbook samples for a client the other day and found this set of daily goal and action tracker worksheets, which I designed for the beautiful Miss CC Lyles, a financial strategist from Washington, D.C. Something sweet is often born when visions collide. You can post an image of your work and share a little bit of a story. You know, who did you design it for, or what is the story behind whatever it is that you're posting. Another example is this post right here. So it's actually not an image of my work, but the post itself is talking about my work along with a story. So I posted, times have changed. We no longer need to be confined to one location to make a living. No need for one job, one desk, one title. I can be miles away from my home in Canada in a completely different country. And in this particular image, I'm in Israel. while designing a goal-setting workbook for a business coach in New York, which will be used as one piece of content within a larger online program that she offers to her clients around the world. Imagine the level and scale of impact you can create with one piece of content. Are you making the most out of this privilege? So you see, it's not just about telling people what you do or what you offer or posting an image about it. It's the story behind it. You know, how can you turn it into a little bit of a story? If you can pair a client testimonial along with it, that's even better. And you can see here, this message in March is from someone who reached out to me and said, hey, I hope you're doing well. I saw a post that you did some time ago around offering to create presentations. Is that something that you still do? Would love to learn more. So that actually turned into a lead as well as a client. And this client's already spent thousands of dollars with us. So it's amazing what one post can do. So think about how you can incorporate this type of example into your own content strategy. Okay, and example number 3. This is something that you see a lot here on our YouTube channel. We're constantly creating tutorials, right? And for a good reason. Now, I'm not telling you that you need to create a tutorial showing how to do something, but the profitableness behind this piece of content is that you're helping someone solve a problem. So what type of content can you specifically create that maybe answers a commonly or frequently asked question in your industry, or solves a pretty big problem or a common problem for people that are in your industry or your target market? This video right here is a video that Jewel, my business partner, released on the channel, showing people how to make a PDF fillable using a program called Adobe Acrobat DC. Now, this is just a really simple how-to tutorial. She's sharing her screen, showing people exactly step by step how to make a PDF fillable. And this video has produced so many inquiries and customers as well. People reaching out in our inbox saying, hey, I saw this video. Can you do this for me? Here are some PDFs. I want you to make them fillable for me. And it's really funny because you're showing people exactly how to solve that problem themselves, but a lot of people just would rather outsource it. And it's not just that, you're also showing them that you know the solution and you know the solution very well, so they're coming to you as the expert to help them solve that same problem that they're experiencing. And speaking of another video that solves a problem, this is a video right here that I did that shares what it means to actually create valuable content, right? Because we hear that all the time. Make sure you post valuable content on social media, but what does that actually mean? So if you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely like that video. I shared tons more examples with you of what valuable content actually means. And that video itself has also produced an Instagram coaching client for us. So check that video out. I'll link to it in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please also give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.